Hello, my name is Christian. I'm a product manager on the Copilot Studio team. We're here today to talk about how you can bring agents into workflows. Every day, businesses receive dozens of emails and spend countless hours responding to them. This is a great use case for Copilot Studio. Let's get into how to build it.
Welcome to Copilot Studio Workflows. Let's start with our trigger. Our flow will begin automatically when a new email arrives in Outlook. Next, we'll look at our classified node. The classified node uses the AI to sort emails into 3 different categories: IT issues, customer feedback, or other. For IT issues, we use our pre-built IT agent. This agent takes the IT emails, updates a Dataverse table, and sends an email back to the sender letting them know what happened. Now let's build our next agent. We'll start by creating the customer feedback agent. First, let's add dynamic content. Dynamic content gives our agent access to context from across the workflow. In this case, it gives the agent access to the email body and the sender, so it can understand where the email came from and what it contains. Next, we'll add our prompt. Natural language should guide the agent on how to act. To do this, we need tools. The first tool will be the Excel Online Business Get Worksheet. Get Worksheets gives the agent the ability to view worksheets and the data it will store the feedback. Next, we'll add another Excel tool. Add a row to a table. Now the agent can not only view the worksheet, but make edits to the table within it. Our last tool is Office 365 Outlook, so the agent can reply back to the original customer feedback email. And with that, our customer feedback agent is complete. Now we're going to build one more agent for issues that are not related to IT or customer feedback, our FAQ agent. We'll start with dynamic content again, giving the agent the email context our customer feedback agent also had. Let's add our prompt. This one is a little shorter and tells the agent to respond back based on information from an internal FAQ sheet. This time, we'll start by adding the same Office 365 Outlook tool so the agent can send an email back. To give our agent access to the FAQ sheet, we need knowledge. By adding knowledge, we can give the agent access to a SharePoint site. The agent now has the information it needs to respond intelligently based on the customer's request. And with that, our workflow is complete.
Now that our workflow is complete, let's save it. Then we'll publish it and take it live.
Let's head over to Outlook and see our workflow in action.
Oh look, an email just came in from a customer. Looks like a customer has contacted us to give good feedback about a new feature. Going back to Copilot Studio, we can see our workflow has begun. Our workflow is currently running, and the email I showed before is being processed. Because the flow is published, it'll run every time I receive an email. Oh look, it finished. Let's go check out the results.
As you can see, our flow is finished running. When we click on the node, we can see our run details.
Here we can see the agent's reasoning and the actions it took. Let's go back to the email.
And we can see the agent was able to respond on my behalf. It thanked the customer for their time and positive feedback.
Looking at Excel, I was able to take the information from the email and add it as a line in our table. From there, our metrics were automatically updated, and we can see how the customers feel about us in real time. Going back to Outlook, I want to show one more example of a previous workflow run, where the agent was able to compare an email to an existing complaint and respond with a previously recorded workaround. We've seen how this workflow can transform how your team handles emails. It's not just automation, it's intelligent routing. It's your team supercharged with AI. Start building AI-powered automations today with workflows and agents in Copilot Studio.